We are now in a remote village called Grahan. It is a trek from Kasol, 8 kilometers trek from Kasol. And from Grahan we are going to a waterfall, probably 2 or 3 kilometers. And you don't have any network here. It is a very remote village in this mountainous region, and there are no people here. Me and my sister are going to this waterfall, so we don't know the route. We are just following this trail. So I'll show you the trail until the waterfall. Can you move? And it is so beautiful. You can actually see the snow-capped mountains. It is 7 o'clock in the morning, so there is some fog, but it is a very beautiful place if you can live without internet or any network. Hey, no. And my sister is getting scared. And there are supposedly mountain bears and snow leopards in this place, so hopefully we don't encounter them. Say hi.